Good day, I'm Zanele Buthelezi, a Senior Investment Specialist at Sanlam Corporate Investments. Thank you for joining the Q2 update on the Satrix Enhanced Balanced Tracker Fund. The Satrix Enhanced Balanced Tracker Fund is the default option in the accumulation phase of the Sanlam Passive Lifestage strategy within the Sanlam Umbrella Fund. It aims to grow member savings over the long term by delivering market-related returns through a diversified mix of equities, property, bonds, cash, and offshore assets. The fund is geared towards longer-term growth, with about 80% of the strategic asset allocation allocated to growth assets and 39% in offshore investments, including offshore infrastructure, which provides defensive diversification. Given the current attractive local real yields in South Africa, 18.4% is allocated to local bonds. While the fund tracks a strategic benchmark, it also includes tactical asset allocation within predefined limits. This allows the asset manager to make short-term adjustments, for example, increasing local equities while reducing local cash or property to capitalize on market opportunities while staying compliant with Regulation 28. As a result, short-term performance may deviate slightly from the benchmark, but the goal remains to improve risk-adjusted returns over time without deviating from the long-term strategy. This fund closely mirrors the strategic asset allocation of its benchmark. Let's look at recent performance. On a gross of fees basis for the month ending June 2025, the fund returned 2% in line with the benchmark. Over the 3-month period, the fund slightly outperformed, delivering 7.5% versus the benchmark's return of 7.3%. Year to date, the fund generated 9.1% ahead of the benchmark's 8.7%. Over 1 year, the fund achieved 18.3%, slightly higher than the benchmark's 18.1%. Over 3 years, both the fund and the benchmark returned 16.3%. Over 5 years, the fund returned 14.7%, ahead of the benchmark's 14.4%. These results show that the fund consistently tracks the benchmark while delivering slight but meaningful outperformance thanks to its tactical asset allocation overlay. The Satrix Enhanced Balanced Tracker Fund remains a reliable, cost-effective, and well-diversified option for members in their retirement savings journey. It continues to meet its objectives of delivering market-related returns with modest enhancements, which is ideal for long-term investing. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information helpful as you plan for a secure and confident retirement.